Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can write over a line or underline in your documents on Microsoft Word. So let's say, for example, you have a simple text like that with a question and an answer below, and now you'd like to type in the answer here where you see that underline. So if I, for example, left click on that space here and type in my answer, unfortunately, the underline will be moved together with the text I type, which I find pretty annoying. Luckily though, there's a way how you can solve this. So what you want to do, guys, is select insert from that top menu here and look for a feature or tool called text box here to the right, and from the drop down menu select draw text box. Now simply draw your text box where you would like to place it, for example here next to the answer above the underline. So let me do that really quickly, and after that you may start typing in your answer. However, guys, before you do that, I would recommend to customize your text box first and to add some professional touch to it. For example, you could change the shape fill by clicking on that arrow down icon here and select the color, or go with no fill, and repeat the same with the shape outline. Go with a colored outline or with no outline. Also, you may adjust the position and the size of your text box manually by simply left clicking, holding the edges or corners of it. And if you like, you may also customize your font here in your Word's home section. For example, choose a different font or a different color and simply start typing in your answer, and at the same time keep the underline. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.